Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Vision NLP. I am Sridhar Pawar and today we will dive into VS Code, one of the most popular code editor out there. We will cover what it is, how to set it up, and how to use GitHub Copilot to make your coding experience even more efficient. I will also share the details about Copilot's pricing and whether it's worth it. What is VS Code? So VS Code is a free, lightweight, and highly customizable code editor developed by Microsoft. It supports multiple programming languages through extensions. Features like IntelliSense, debugging, Git integration, and themes make it a favorite among developers. So let us see how we can install VS Code. To install VS Code, you just type VS Code on Google Chrome and you can click on that first link. In the home page of VS Code, you will see an option to download the VS Code for macOS. So let us click on the download button. So download will start automatically and then we can install the VS Code with the help of installer. Once you open the VS Code, this will be your home screen. So here it will ask you to open a file or a folder. So if you can click on open button, this open folder, then you can navigate to your particular folder and then you click on open. It will pop open that particular folder. Install the extensions, you click on the extensions button, then you can click on the programming language that you want to install. So here you can see if I type Python, it's already installed on my machine. Now let us see what is GitHub Copilot. So GitHub Copilot is an AI powered coding assistant developed by GitHub and OpenAI. It helps generate code, suggest snippets, and even write complete functions based on the comments or partial inputs. So let us check how we can install the GitHub Copilot. To install GitHub Copilot in VS Code, we have to go to the extensions. In extensions, we type GitHub Copilot. Now, once you click on the GitHub Copilot, you will see an option to install it. You also have to install GitHub Copilot chat as well. Like the prerequisites for the GitHub Copilot is that you have to log in into GitHub account and you should have a GitHub Copilot available on your GitHub account. Now, let us see few things like how GitHub Copilot works. Before that, let us check how we can create a Jupyter notebook or how we can create Python files in our VS Code. So here, this was the folder that I opened. So if I want to create a file, you have to click on this particular first button. Now consider I am creating a file called demo and I want to have this file as a Jupyter notebook. To make it a Jupyter notebook, I have to use ipynb as a extension. If you want to know whether GitHub Copilot is actually working on your machine or not, so to check that, you can see this particular icon at the bottom. If this icon is available, then it actually means the status is ready of GitHub Copilot. Also, you will be able to see this chat button. Now let us check how GitHub Copilot helps us in creating codes. Based on the previous comment, if I want to create a function that will return me prime numbers, then I will just type def and a ghost text will appear. So we can take all the ghost text by using the tab button, or we can select the partial ghost text and we can write our own text as well. But the suggestions will be, you will be able to see the suggestions in the form of ghost text. We can also use the GitHub chat functionality, and we can ask GitHub Copilot itself to generate codes for us. To do that, we can just write a prompt like give me codes to print prime numbers. And once you click on this particular button, it will start generating the code. Now let us check what is the GitHub Copilot pricing. So for individuals, it costs around $10 per month or around $100 per year, while it is free for students and verified editors. So whether it is worth it to spend $10 per month, my suggestion for students is that they should play around with the GitHub Copilot as it is free for them and it will definitely save you a lot of time. So for individuals also it is worth because it saves lot of time and it's easy to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on coding tools and productivity hacks. Thank you.